What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Wulf back with another video. You see Cerberus in the back looking frosty. I know. Neighbors interrupting my goddamn video, champ. But today, I'm gonna be driving in this snow so you guys can see the whole purpose of why I built this build was for situations like this. We got like 2 to 4 inches of snow on the ground. So you're gonna see that in a second. I'm gonna clean Cerberus off. We're gonna hit the road, champ. Don't mind the scruffiness. I'm about to get cleaned up in a little bit. As you can see, Cerberus is all cleaned off. I'm about to hit the road, talking extra loud because he's extra loud. So I'm about to hit the road. You guys gonna see. I might actually try to spin it. I've never swung my car before ever, so I might try that. I'm sure you guys want me to do that, so I'm gonna try it for y'all. Not for me, because I don't like doing that. Like a car accident or something. You just swinging around. I don't even like roller coasters because I don't like to swing like that. You swinging around, you go this way, you go this way. My neck hurt. I don't like it. But I'm gonna try to swing this car for y'all. I'm about to get in the car. Let's go. Got my camera mounted up right now, but as you guys can see, spinning it for the first time was a big fail, massive failure. The all-wheel drive just don't like it. It does not like it. Plus I'm in a neighborhood, so I didn't floor it all the way down. So try to find a good parking lot for you guys. Oh man, big shaky. This joint shakier than me holding it. Hopefully we get out the neighborhood, it gets a little bit more sturdy. We got my lovely girlfriend over there, but I'm trying to mount the camera. See your hands right now. That's actually not too bad. Out a lot better than I thought it would. Nah, should hear the seat on shit? That thing ain't on. You probably farted in my seat. Yeah, it wasn't even on. You over there farting. Like, as some of you know, this situations like today are the whole reason that I did not get a scat pack. Because snow. Just snow, period. And it's not impossible to drive with a scat pack in the snow, or even a Hellcat for that matter. I've seen it done. But the all-wheel drive is the safest bet in the snow. So that's why the whole Cerberus thing started. GT, all-wheel drive, supercharged, and boom, here we have it. Man, this thing's shaky as I don't know what. What's up with these guys? Fix the roads, champ. So I'm gonna try to find a parking lot that hasn't been cleared out and see if we can get some swinging in for you guys.
I'll be recording.
Hopefully you're recording far away and I don't slap you with the car. I was gonna do some swinging. First of all, it did not go well. And something bad happened, so I had to stop. I'm gonna go show you guys what happened. So, something bad happened, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm like, oh, god damn it. No one wants to see this ever in their car. But, so, like I said, I was doing my swinging. I felt like I was getting the hang of it because I stopped the video so I could practice because it was looking bad. So, I'm practicing, and even though the all-wheel drive doesn't really allow you to swing for real, I know there's a way you gotta turn it off. I held the traction control button to turn it completely off, and the all-wheel drive was still like, yeah, I'm still here, bro, I got you. I was telling the all-wheel drive to chill out. He wouldn't listen. So the swinging was getting better, so I'm practicing so I can actually get you guys a good shot of me doing it. And look. Boom. Where's it at? Boom. There it is. The most check engine lights. So now my check engine light is on. So no more swinging for a little while. Gotta get that figured out. And so once I get that figured out, see what that is, you know, it's always something. Yeah. So check engine light is on now. But once I figure out what's going on with that, I'll let you guys know. But I have mods. I have new mods here. Give me a second. I'm gonna show you guys what I got. A little unboxing for you. Yeah, so new mods. Shout out to my nephew. I didn't know I had a nephew from YouTube, but apparently I got a YouTube nephew. Shout out to my man Curtis Jones. Young nephew, man. He's just a young kid. 2 mods. 2. So, and I got more coming, but these are the ones that are here now. So I have a new belt. Boom. Where's it at? There it is. Green belt. That's how you know. Hey, get in there. Where's the light? There it is. Boom. Green belt. So this is obviously reverse. Hold on. Let's flip the camera around. Reading jacked up. Boom. There it is. This is supposed to be like one of the best belts you can put in your car. Apparently Hellcats and 392s, or maybe just Hellcats, I'm not sure, already have the green belts. So now I got a green belt. So that's supposed to be better for slipping and all that good stuff. And boom. Give me a second to cut this open. Boom. Oh no. What is this? Rating. Unorthodox racing. Embarrassing. And we have a pulley. This is a lightweight pulley. You can follow them on Facebook. Pentastar Performance. My man Brian. And what in the world is this? Don't know what that is. And oh, this is a bolt seal. So I thought they had like a sticker or something so I could show you guys. Look at these little Cheetos. Okay, no sticker to show you guys, but Unorthodox Racing on Facebook or V6 Pentastar Performance book. My guy Brian, he looked out. He expedited this, got it to me real fast. So if you guys are interested in the lightweight pulley, I think it's supposed to add like 10 horsepower or something like that. So you should definitely check them out and get yourself a pulley and a new belt. You probably don't need the belt, but the pulley you probably need. So I'm gonna step back outside, close the video out, and boom. So as you guys can see, I got new mods and I tried the swinging thing, tried to practice, check engine light turned on. So we got a check engine light pandemic going on right now along with the quarantine. So I got to deal with that crap. But so new mods, I'm gonna get them put on soon as I can get my guy out here, or I'll try to do it myself. Seen a YouTube video, it doesn't look too hard, but I'm no mechanic, not my profession. But new mods, and hey, come on, bro, you see me making a video? What you doing, Chad? Doing all that yelling? Kids out here. So new mods, check engine light, and a little bit of snow driving. Tune into the next one. I'm supposed to be getting a race done, so you remember when I told that dude he was chicken. I told you guys about it because he was calling me out, and then he backed out. So now he said he watched the video. He's like, nah, you can't talk about me like that. So hopefully I'll be bringing that to the channel, RT. And I'm trying to get a Hellcat to the channel too. Supercharged RT, a lot of stuff I'm trying to do, but we're trying to get all that done for you guys. I know you guys want some races. You want to see Cerberus against something, so that's what I'm trying to bring to you guys. So tune into the next one. Me and Cerberus out.
Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Power moves, power moves. Rocked up, yabba dabba doo.